How to design a Monday.com background. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open Monday.com and click on your profile picture in the top right corner to access the customization settings. 2. Select admin settings or theme settings, depending on whether you're customizing for personal use or a company account. 3. Choose a custom background option if available, allowing you to set a personalized theme for your workspace. 4. Upload an image or select a preset theme from Monday.com's design options to match your branding or preference. 5. Adjust colors, contrast, and display settings to ensure the background looks visually appealing and doesn't interfere with readability. 6. Save your changes, then refresh the page or log out and back in to ensure the new background is applied correctly. 7. If necessary, reset to default settings anytime by going back to the customization menu and selecting the original theme.